दिन शगना दा चढ़िया आओ सखियो नी वेड़ा सजिया हाँ मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलन वधाइयां नी सजन डोली लैके आना नी वेड़ा सजिया मेरा सजना मिलिया सजना मिलिया सजना मिलिया
only sister he can boss around. So this is not going to be a formal introduction where I'm going to tell you things from Dennis's resume, like he's an engineer, he works with John Deere Pune. Instead, I would tell you things that you probably don't know about. Dennis is the best teacher you'd come across. He taught me how to make 30 and 60 ml pegs. But then again, that runs in the family. Not the alcohol stuff, but being a good teacher, that runs in the family. My first cycle ride, my first video game, first flight travel, first tattoo, all of them have been with Dennis. He's always been my friend first and then a brother. Someone I could always count on no matter what. So, from discussing how cool John Abraham was in Boom to discussing what mutual funds to invest in, we've come a long way. So, without further ado, I would like to introduce our host and host for the evening, Daryl. And I would also like to welcome Nirmala to the house of Neds, the Nedmakaran family. It's a long way till forever, but for starters, this special one's for you.
नवराई माझी लाडाची लाडाची ग आवड हिला चंद्राची चंद्राची ग नवराई माझी नवसाची नवसाची ग अप्सरा जशी इंद्राची इंद्राची ग और आई चली शर्माती घबराती हो पिया के घर लाती भर खाती हो सुरमई नैना छलकाती छलकाती हो पिया के घर भरमाती सब जाती हो
Alright, show some love there. Show some love, show some love. Wonderful dance performance there. Excellent, excellent there. I would also like to thank Lenora before for introducing all of this to one and all. My name is Daryl, and I'm the host for this evening. I'm a very close cousin to Dennis as well. I hope you enjoy this evening as much as I do. Look at the decor, it's fantastic. The event organizers, thank you so much, it's a wonderful stage. But I feel I need to add a little more panache to this. And the very epitome of this panache is DJ. Pay attention, man. Drum roll बजा भाई, drum roll. है क्या? नहीं है? राव दे, अब नहीं कर दो. Okay, I'm going to say something, okay? Now you got to pay attention. अर्ज किया है. Come on. What do you say? Wow, wow. Dennis, come on, yeah. I thought you should know that. अर्ज किया है. I'm going to do this again. आंखें आपकी मस्त है. हंसी भी जबरदस्त है. स्टडीज में कोई जवाब नहीं. हर काम में आप ही फर्स्ट है. Put your hands together for the beautiful and wonderful wife of mine, Maria. she's my co-host for this evening, huh?
Hello, check, yeah.
By the way, she told me to say that's Shairi, huh?
Okay, so hi everybody and wonderful season's greetings to all of you. And thank you, Daryl, for such a wonderful introduction that I had no idea about. I guess on behalf of the groom's family, we welcome all of you to this amazing cocktail night, paying tribute to Nirmala and Dennis. And, we're really excited. How many of you are excited? I mean, come on, yeah, this is a really cold crowd. I want to hear some noise.
Come on, guys, show some love, show some love. Yeah, I hope you guys are enjoying the wonderful food and drinks that's here. Why would anybody else come to Thane for this, right? Isn't it?
I mean, of course, but then, come to think of it, we're here also to pay tribute and respect to the love and joy of Nirmala and Dennis, because though they're officially single right now, but in a couple of days they're going to be married, right? I mean, 2 bodies, 1 soul, 1 voice, which is Nirmala's. Speaking from complete experience.
भाई तू टेंशन मत ले, मैं तेरे को सब चीज़ बता देता हूँ. क्या बोलना है, कैसे बोलना है, कब बोलना है. हाँ, it is all scripted, don't worry. I'm telling you from experience. ठीक है ना? All right, without wasting much time, we're going to be dancing till our feet hurt. We're going to be singing till we can't sing no more. And we're going to be drinking till we can't remember anything. All right? So let's put together for the first dance of this evening. Oh, before that, I have one more shairi. You're okay, right? You're okay, right? You have to say Vava, okay? कभी उदासी, कभी मस्ती, कभी झगड़ा, कभी आंसू, कभी हंसी, छोटा सा पल, छोटी छोटी खुशी, बस इसका ही नाम है दोस्ती. Put your hands together for the wonderful friends of Dennis who's going to be doing this wonderful dance out here. Come on guys, show some love.
दोस्ती पर बिगड़ी हुई जिंदगी कुछ इतनी सी कहानी है.
20% तो हम बचपन से ही कमीने थे और 80% इन दोस्तों की मेहरबानी है.
इतना भी हमको दीवाना, हम लोगों की ठोकर में है ये जमाना. बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो, बिगड़े दुनिया बिगड़ने भी दो, दुनिया लड़ने भी दो. अपनी धुन में गाओ, दुनिया रूठे रूठने दो, बंधन टूटे टूटने दो, कोई छूटे छूटने दो. ना घबराओ, हम हैं नए, अंदाज यूं हो पुराना.
Love, yeah. These guys are the friends of Dennis, so very dear friends. He's known them from forever. Only one person saying once more. I think the other people. By the way, these guys have been practicing for months. Do you know that? Did you watch each of the steps? I mean, Vibha, you were fantastic. Yeah. I mean, and the wonderful guys, they are all superb. Yeah. I mean, Pelwan, superb. Yeah, superb. Well done, well done. Acha, now we go to the next segment. That is the next dance, and I've written something for that as well, right? And this is what Dennis told me to speak. This is his feelings, by the way. तारों भरी रात है, Hey, my friends, you guys are all busy, eh? What are you supposed to say? Wow, wow. I'll say again, now. If people are not paying attention, I'm going to repeat it again. So, तारों भरी रात है निर्मला, चांद भी हमारे साथ है, पलके बिछाए हमारे नैना. ए भाई तू आके बोल रहा है. लास्ट लाइन है भाई. बहनों की डांस की चाह है. So put your hands together for the wonderful Behnaz and my wife as the next performance.
जिसे मैं करती हूँ प्यार और जिसे करती हूँ मिन्नतें बार-बार. ऐसे
चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली, चुरा के दिल मेरा गोरिया चली, चुरा के दिल मेरा तू चली.
Wow, what a wonderful performance there. Come on guys, I think you guys can clap louder yaar. It's free dude, it's free, come on. Okay, this is a little surprise element. Can we have Maria, very good. Your mic is with me, come. Very nice, yeah, very nice, yeah. So nice, yeah, Mansi, so nice. Mansi, so nice, yeah. Can you do one more dance for us, alone? Oh my god, yeah, thank you. Alright, now we have a very surprise element in this setup. Can we have the wonderful Nirmala and Dennis on stage? Come on guys, put your hands together for these guys out here. We tried to lift that, but we couldn't get that, so we just managed these two chairs. Okay,
Okay, so what going to be doing now is it's not a game. I mean, it's more like a fun little element that we're going to be asking them some questions. We're going to be asking the same question to both of them. I'm going to, kind of be judging their answers. If they get the right answer, there's a small little hamper that's going to be coming your way. The details of it is later. There's a form they have to fill and stuff like that. You know how it goes, right? Fill a form and details have to be right and be posted to them. Yeah?
That's right, that's right. So the question that we ask, you have to answer on her behalf. Is that right?
Yeah, exactly.
That's right, okay. You got it, right? You got it? Perfect. You want to do a trial round?
I think they got it.
You want to do a trial round? She wants to do a trial round. Tennis? Okay, trial round. Chalo, it's a simple game, don't get nervous, just chill, drink some more water if you want hot water. Alright, buy a hot water there, yaar. Arey, koi sunna nahi raha yaar. Kya bole? Okay, the first question, right? What is the first thing your partner will buy if he or she wins a lottery?
Expensive car. Okay, nice.
Okay, so that was trial, dude. How do you rate them? Good, bad, excellent?
Yeah.
A bad was just a...
But one sec, most importantly, was his answer right? Was her answer right?
Hey, abhi, sab mein हाँ और हाँ
They're
मत
going to
बोलना,
say
ठीक
yes
है?
for everything. Yeah. Come on.
So we are the judge, okay? We are the judge, ठीक है ना?
Okay, next question.
It's a little tough one, but yeah.
What, for Nirmala, okay? When is your mother-in-law's birthday?
Now Dennis cannot say हाँ, right, है, bye. Come on now. Come on.
It's okay.
You to give me mic, yeah?
Ask Dennis also.
Arey, who said that?
Cheating is happening.
You didn't hear the rules of the game? One question, both will answer. Arey yaar. 21st March, is that right? Hey, cheating कर रहे.
Cheating is happening.
Please move your chairs a little more. Please. This is... अच्छा, when is her father-in-law's birthday? Question change किया थोड़ा. When is your father-in-law?
13 July.
Uncle. अरे trick question था यार.
Okay, moving on.
हाँ, sorry. होता है यार. What is your favorite junk food?
Chart.
अबे item.
Yeah, chart.
Item. Don't you know her favorite chaat food, dude? Like pani puri, bhel puri, ragda patties.
Just chart.
What is chaat but dahi puri? Dahi puri, okay. Okay. And
That's what I
what's
said.
his?
Item, bro. Item.
And what's his favorite?
Dabeli.
No.
What is it then?
For Bhel Puri.
Hey, you just changed it on the spot.
Both are puris, huh? Okay. Next, what is his most irritating habit? Daryl has many, so I think.
Correcting my grammar.
Oh,
Wait, is that right?
No.
yes, audience.
Hey, भाई तू आ जा यार. तू इधर आ जा.
Okay, what's her most irritating habit?
No, I have not figured out yet.
Oh, she very confident says, don't have any. I mean, come.
Diplomatic answer.
No, that was a nice one, bro. Okay, the most repeated phrase or sentence.
You're wrong. अच्छा ठीक है.
And for Dennis?
I have an idea.
He's been telling me as I was a kid also, hey dude, I have an idea, and all rubbish he tells. So just take my advice. Huh?
Okay, this is a fun thing, okay? You guys need to imitate how your partner behaves, okay? When he or she is angry. In a small way, not too dramatic.
Every time I'm asking Dennis, she has time to think. Now I'll ask you first.
He just sits quietly, he doesn't say anything.
Okay, cool. So both of them sit quietly. Okay.
Achha, but when they are angry, like when you or I are angry,
Why
what do
is
we
this
do?
happening?
I mean, like we'll express our opinion, our voice. नहीं होता क्या उसमें? अच्छा, we talk about it.
Can you stop
पड़ेगा
Dr.
भाई.
Phil and move on?
सीखना पड़ेगा भाई. अच्छा, favorite movie?
जिंदगी ना मिलेगी दोबारा.
Not yours, hers.
And And what's his?
Yes.
Not cheating, huh?
Dear Zindagi.
Okay.
ठीक है, awesome guys, come on, give.
The fact that they know each other so well is amazing. So I want to hear a lot of applause.
Come on guys, wonderful, you've been
Thank
very
you so
sporty.
much, you guys have
Thank
been
you so
such a
much.
sport. You can
Can we escort you right up to your seat? Come. Come with us, come. Acha, you're not coming, sir, I'll go.
अरे ये सब हटा रे सावर की घड़ा चल अपना चला जल्दी
Wow, that was really amazing. That Michael Jackson routine. Wow. Okay, where's Daryl? Daryl? Daryl's dancing. All the best. So the cousin sisters showed their magic. Now it's time for the cousin brothers to do the same. So put your hands together for the Adipoli boys.
എന്റെ മേത്തെ ചുമക്കി കമ്മൽ എന്റെ പെൺ കട്ടോട് പോയി എന്റെ പെണ്ണ് കെട്ടി എന്റെ അമ്മ കുടിച്ച് തീർത്ത് എന്റെ മേത്തെ ചുമക്കി കമ്മൽ എന്റെ പെൺ കട്ടോട് പോയി എന്റെ പെണ്ണ് കെട്ടി എന്റെ അമ്മ കുടിച്ച് തീർത്ത് ഇവിടൊരു ചാകരയും വേലകളിയും ഒത്തു വന്നപ്പോൾ ചിലരുടെ നോത്തുകീറി പോയ കാര്യം ഓർത്തു പോകവേ അലകൾ കാറ്റിലുതി കാണുവാൻ പാടുവിടേണ്ട സദാചാര സേനാപതി വീര പടുകാമലോലുവ എന്റെ മേലെ ചിമക്കി കമ്മൽ എന്റെ പെൺകെട്ടോണ്ട് പോയി എന്റെ പെണ്ണ് താണ്ടി കൊട്ടി എന്റെ അമ്മ കുളിച്ചു തിന്നേ എന്റെ മേലെ ചിമക്കി കമ്മൽ എന്റെ പെൺകെട്ടോണ്ട് പോയി എന്റെ പെണ്ണ് താണ്ടി കൊട്ടി എന്റെ അമ്മ കുളിച്ചു തിന്നേ പച്ചക്കിളിക്കൊരു കൂട് പച്ചക്കറി പഴയുന്ന കൂട് ആ പച്ചക്കിളിക്കൊരു കൂട് പച്ചക്കറി പഴയുന്ന കൂട് കണ്ണാളം കെട്ടുന്നുണ്ടല്ലോ ഓ അത് നിന്നെ കൂട്ടാനാണല്ലോ തുടക്കം മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാനേന പിന്നെ ജീവിതം കുന്തനാനേന തുടക്കം മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാനേന പിന്നെ ജീവിതം കുന്തനാനേന തുടക്കം മാംഗല്യം തന്തുനാനേന പിന്നെ ജീവിതം കുന്തനാനേന എന്റെ മറിയെ നീ ചിരിച്ച ആ ചിരിയിൽ full happy. ചിരിയില്ലേ മൊത്തം പോക്ക.
കണ്ണിൻ ഉള്ളും കൊണ്ടൻ ഉള്ളിൽ കുത്തും പെണ്ണാണേ ഒരു കൊട്ട സ്വപ്നം തന്നോരോമൽ മുത്താണേ ഞാൻ തന്റെ കൊച്ചൻ കെട്ടി നിന്നെ കെട്ടാൻ നിപ്പാണേ പടിയോരം വെള്ളിപ്പല്ല കെട്ടിയിരുന്നാണേ വീട്ടാരും കൂട്ടുണ്ട് നാട്ടാരും കൂടെയുണ്ട് ആശിച്ചാരെല്ലാരും കൂടിയിട്ടുണ്ട് ആശപ്പു നട്ടാരം വിണ്ണോരം മുട്ടിയിലെ ചിങ്ങാരപ്പട്ടും ചുറ്റിച്ചേരി കൂട്ടും കുത്ത് ഇന്ന് കെട്ടിക്കൊണ്ടേ ഓടാം ദില്ലം ദില്ലാല
നാളേറെ കാത്തിരുന്നു നീ വന്നില്ല മോഹിക്കും പോലെ വേഗം നേരം പോയില്ല നിന്നെ ഞാൻ കാണുന്ന നേരം തൊട്ടേ എന്നുള്ളിൽ കേൾക്കുന്നുണ്ട് ജില്ലം ജില്ലാല മാറത്തെ മൈനിലും പേരെ കൊഞ്ചാറുള്ളൂ നീ എന്നൊരാളെ എൻ കണ്ണിൽ മിന്നാറുള്ളൂ
ആകാശം വീശുന്നുണ്ട് മേഘത്തൂവ. അവളാനില്ല ജില്ലം ജില്ല.
Maria forgets that she's hosting. Yeah, you have to go there, pick the mic, and come here. All right, while she comes on stage, let's have the following people up on stage, please. Can we have one of Genesis' cousin, Jeffrey? Young, handsome boy. Come here,
After
come
that,
here.
Derek, please have your water and come on stage as well.
Derek.
Where's the groom to be sister? Eileen. I
Eileen?
can't see Eileen any. Oh, hi. Come on stage.
Come.
Who else?
She's like, ye kya ho raha hai, ye kya ho raha hai? Joshua, come fast. Can we have Anju? She'll reach in 2 minutes.
Okay.
Let's make Maggie. Sorry, that was a bad one. Who's the other one? Shwetank. Huh? You have a lot of... I think I'm going to give you the mic very soon. Huh? You take my position. Huh? ठीक है ना? आजा भाई. So innocent, my
Is
God.
Swapnali in the house?
Swapnali?
Hi.
Swapnali? Yeah.
Okay, come on up on stage. Super. So we have, I guess we have all of you. Hi, Arjun. So no one's going to be running. I'm standing right here.
And I'm here, don't worry. No.
No discounts. Okay. So we've got everyone on stage, Daryl.
6, हाँ बराबर ठीक है. So Eileen, how's the function going?
Good, the crowd can be more enthusiastic.
I agree. The crowd needs to be louder.
Claps are free, guys. Come on, show some more love. बराबर चल रहा ना भाई? नहीं क्या बोल रहे हैं? हाँ? नहीं. अरे तू होस्ट कर.
Wait, I'll ask him. He'll say yes.
Yes.
That's not fair, man. Acha, Eileen, just tell me one thing. Listen carefully. Yeah? There was an airplane crash. Every single person on board died, but yet 2 people survived. How is it possible? Fast bol.
Life jacket पहनना.
Nahi bhai, the 2 were married. Every single person, na. Sorry, yaar. Sorry.
Yeah, come on, yeah. You got to think, na, yeah. What?
Thoda yaar.
Okay, next, hi. Nice to meet you. I also have a really fun question for you, okay? So, I mean, come to think of it, which month in the year has 28 days? Really?
You have to give the mic to her.
Which person in the audience is giving answers?
All the months have 28 days, na Baba?
Anyway, it's
It's
okay.
okay, it's okay.
I want to see who gets something right. Audience, please don't prompt. Please be sporting. Thank you.
Jeffrey.
Hi, Jeffrey.
Ah, he's got up from his sleep.
Jeffrey danced very well.
Name the most recent year in which New Year's came before Christmas.
2019, 2018. Before Christmas.
No, no. 2019. Every year New Year comes before Christmas.
I like how Josh was laughing at everyone. I'm waiting for the question to him.
But still, I'm impressed. Derek!
Hi, Derek. So he's the cutest brother-in-law, yeah. Really.
That's because she has only one brother-in-law.
Okay, so Derek, I have a really fun question for you. How can you lift an elephant with one hand? Fast. Tell me. You do a lot of weightlifting and stuff. Come on, tell me.
If it's a picture.
Have you ever seen an elephant with one hand in your
Arre
life?
kya re bhai?
What, yeah? Come on, yeah. I mean, so disappointing.
You host. No. Joshua, come. Come ahead. Come. You'll get this right. This is a very simple one. Very simple. Come on, guys, cheer for him, yeah. Come on. He's a small, young guy, so sporty in spirit. Come on. If Sheila auntie, you know Sheila auntie, no? If Sheila auntie has made 6 hazelnut chocolates and you take away 4, how many do you have? Say it loud. Not bad, yeah. Come on, give it up for this guy. He's got the answer right.
The only one who's got it right. I mean,
Not bad,
wow.
हाँ भाई बहुत बोल रहा था ना तू चला आ गया Okay, don't be so scared, don't see what's in it. Okay, I know the question without seeing the iPad. What will you find at the end of a rainbow? Pot of gold? Did you say pot of gold? You said pot of gold, actually it's W, dude. End of rainbow, na? P-O-W. Sorry guys.
But thank you guys for being such amazing sports. You can now up.
But guys, come on, yeah, they're so sporting and you know they've taken it very well, yeah. Come on. Jenny's like, "Kash, mere ko bulata hai."
Jenny, we'll ask you a question, later.
Huh? Chalo, come. I have one more question.
One
Come.
Jenny, come up. Arey, that's okay.
No, come. One last question. Come.
Okay.
Chalo. Have Dennis and Nirmala on the floor, please.
I know you guys are tired, yeah, but just come on. It's a fun game.
Two
The
chairs,
last
two
game.
chairs. Two chairs. My friend, 2 chairs. No. You have to sit. It's okay. Okay. I think both of them remove each of your footwears.
Just one. They need to just remove
No,
one.
but
The chairs need to be facing. You guys can't see.
Hanji. Can't see each other, na? That's okay. Come here, na? There's a lot of light here. Okay. Nirmala, is it possible to remove your shoe? Yeah, both of them. No. Okay. And whoever is the answer, it will be one of you, the two of you, right? One of you, right? So you'll raise. So for example, if the answer is Dennis, you and Nirmala will raise your shoe. If the answer is Nirmala, you'll raise her shoe. Okay? Very simple.
Got it? Did the audience get it?
Who was that one extremely happy person who shouted? Oh, that's so sweet, yeah. They're our cousins. Thank you, guys. Thank you for selecting us as wonderful hosts. Thank you.
So they're ready.
Okay, we're ready? Okay. Arey, but then, no, we need both. And you need to exchange the shoes. Now you cannot look at each other. Okay, that's the game. Dennis, you have to look straight, not at the audience, okay? And you have to have both shoes in your hand. Okay? Now I'll ask you the question. We'll do a trial round, okay guys? Come on, be more cheerful, yeah. Thank you. Chalo. Whose spends more time staring at their phone? Whoa.
They
Not
got it
bad.
right.
Chalo.
Okay.
Try it round over, okay? Now, next.
Who's more likely to start an argument? Oh,
So both start
nice.
arguing.
So sweet. Okay.
Acha, so after you answer, na, both can look what the other person has done. So then you will understand who's more likely to max out their credit card.
So Nirmala feels she and Dennis feels himself. Not bad. Okay. Who is more likely in the future to wake up grumpy in the morning? Nirmala.
Bad.
Both
You all
got it.
synced.
Yeah.
Who plans more elaborate date nights?
Dennis.
Dennis, you're the ideal man.
Okay. Who would last longer on a deserted island?
Dennis had a little laugh before the question ended. I don't know why, but anyway. Who is going to control the remote?
Oh, we got it. Okay. Very, very interesting. And
The last question. Now, come on, guys. Come on, show some more love here. Come on. Ah, they're doing such a wonderful job here. Come on.
Yeah, and they're doing fabulously. Okay, so the question is, who loves the other more? Not bad.
Very well done,
sporty.
guys.
Thank
Thanks
you
for
so
being
much.
so sporty. Thank
All
you
the
so
best
much.
in
Come on, guys. Louder. Yeah, they are the couple of the night. They deserve it. Yeah. All the men at the bar, all the women looking and cheering. Come on, guys. Call your husbands. Let them cheer along with you. Alright, so finally the moment we've all been waiting for has come. I started with the Shairi and I'll end with one.
Wonderful.
Yeah? You have to say Baba, at least you say yeah.
Okay, I'll say wow.
My friend over there, हाँ, तू भी बोलेगा ना भाई, हाँ ठीक है. अर्ज किया है,
Irshad.
हाँ भाई जो भी बोलते हैं. दुनिया की सारी खुशी तुम्हारे दामन में हो. महकते हुए फूलों से हंसी तुम्हारे चेहरे पे हो. बहती हुई हवा की खुशबू तुम्हारी सांसों में हो. चांद सितारों की चमक तुम्हारी आंखों में हो. Put your hands together for the wonderful couple, Dennis and Nirmala.
For the beautiful couple dance.
पहली बार तुमको मैंने जब देखा था, सुन लो यार कि मैंने क्या सोचा था. लगा कि तुमसे हमें नाता बाकी, इस दिल को ही समझाने. मैंने कहा जिस रास्ते ना जाना कभी राही, ये तेरे लिए है ही नहीं. मेरा होने दो अब जो भी हो, ना क्या भला बुरा. होने दो अब जो भी हो. क्या दिल की कुंडी तुमने, क्या राह चुनी तुमने, हाँ दिल की कुंडी मैंने, हाँ राह चुनी मैंने. दिल से सुन लिया ये दिल की दास्तां, जो लफ्ज़ों में नहीं हो बयां. दिल से सुन लिया ये दिल की दास्तां, जो लफ्ज़ों में नहीं हो बयां. अब जैसा रास्ता टूटे वाला रास्ता, ना रहेगा फासला दरमियां. जो मेरी मंजिलों को जाती है, तेरे नाम की कोई सड़क है, जो मेरे दिल को भी बनाती है, तेरे नाम की कोई धड़क है.
What a wonderful performance, guys. Thank you so much. It was so beautiful.
A special thank you to Jenny who's choreographed most of the dances, especially the cousin dances, has done a fabulous job.
Come on, guys, she deserves much more.
The amount
Well
of
done,
work
Jenny.
that she's put in. Thank you, Jenny. Lots of love. Jenny, come
Yeah,
on
Jenny,
stage.
please come
come
on
on up. Come on up. Anyway, we have a question for Jenny.
Ah.
No, I don't think.
Come on, guys, this is Jenny for you. Come on. She's been the choreographer for all the dances out here.
And done a lot of work.
So practices day in and day out every weekend, and I don't know how many we've missed, but any chase. Jenny, question by the way. Huh? Which 5-letter word becomes shorter when you add 2 more letters to it?
She knows she's looking. Woo!
Come on here, what's your name? Come on. The answer is short and she's answered that. I think, have you heard it before? Ah, that's right. No problem, Jenny, you did fantastically well. You're the wonderful choreographer. Thank you so much. You want to answer something?
No.
No. Correct. All right, we would also like to thank Dennis and Nirmala in a very special way, their families. Thank you so much for having us here. And it has been a fabulous evening. Thank you, audience, most importantly, for bearing with us. I think some of the questions were whatever, but yeah. This is what we are. Signing off for today, DJ MJ as your host. Thank you so much, guys. Enjoy the twins. Cheers. Bye.
Thank everyone. Thanks a lot, DJ MJ. And I know Maria was very jittery about performing.
I was.
But thanks Maria, thanks Daryl. They've been practicing this entire thing for quite some time now, along with the dances.
Just last night.
Yeah, sure. Thanks and thanks for all you guys to come here and make this event so special for us. Thanks everyone. Please enjoy at the bar.
Me voy acercando y voy armando el plan. Solo comenzando se acelera el pulso. Oh yeah, ya me está gustando más de lo normal. Todo mi sentido va pidiendo más. Estoy que tomamos sin ningún apuro. Despacito, quiero respirar tu cuello despacito. Mira que te diga cosas al oído. Para que me pierdas si no estás conmigo. Despacito, quiero desvelarte a veces despacito. Como las paredes de tu laberinto. Besar tu cuerpo con un manuscrito. Sube fuego, pero quiero ser tu ritmo. Que le enseñes a mi boca tus lugares favoritos. Déjame sobrepasar tus zonas de peligro. Hasta provocar tus gritos. Que olvides tu apellido. Si te pido un beso, cuéntamelo. Yo sé que tú me sabes, pero yo no quiero ver cuando me mueras y te claves. Yo no tengo prisa, yo me quiero dar el clave. Este es el momento que sigo contigo, yo me sigo, vamos pegando. Cuando yo la vi, dije si esa mujer fuera para mí. Dura, yo te doy un 20 de dieta. Dura, y no tendrá nadie para el party danzando. Ese perfume se siente en el aire. Un poco más Argentina, tú me traes los Buenos Aires. Perdóname, te lo tenía que decir. Dura, más arriba porque
Empezamos como mi música no descubrí. Los DJ no mienten.
You boom boom girl.
Dress up with my girls on a hunt tonight. Got a feeling I'm
I'm in love with your body. 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 When we discover something new. I'm in love with the shape of you. We can, we let the story begin. We're going out on our first date. You and me is thrifty, so go all you can eat. Fill up your bag and I fill up the plate. We talk for hours and hours about sweet and sour and how your family's doing okay. And even getting a taxi, kissing the backseat, tell the driver make the radio play. And singing like, girl, you know I want your love. Your love was handmade for somebody like me. Come on now, follow my lead. You may be crazy. इश्क ओ लड़की ओ लड़की ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਰ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਤਾਰੇ ਗਿੰਗਰੀਆਂ ਚ ਤੇਰੀ ਮੈਂ ਤਾਂ ਜਾਗਰ ਰਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਹੋ ਹੋ ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਫੁੱਲ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਤੇਰੀਆਂ ਮਿੱਠੀਆਂ ਬਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਰੋਕ ਨਾ ਪਾਵਾਂ ਅੱਖੀਆਂ ਵਿੱਚੋਂ ਗਮ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਰਸਾਤਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਓ ਹੋ 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 ਇਸ਼ਕ ਤੇਰਾ ਤੜਪਾਵੇ
Mr. Worldwide to infinity, you know the roof on fire. We go boogie, oogie, oogie, jiggle, wiggle, and dance like the roof on fire. We go drink drinks and take until we fall out like the roof on fire, like the roof on fire. Tell them, baby, 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 I'm on fire. I tell her, baby, 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 I'm a fireball. Now big bang boogie, get that kitty little noogie in a nice little shave. I gave Susie a little pat up on the beetle, and she turned around and said, walk this way.
I was born in a plane. Mama said that every word was know my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire.
Fireball. Sticks and stones may break my bones, but I don't care what y'all say. Cause as the world turns, y'all boys gon' learn that this shit go right here don't play. That boy's from the bottom on the map, MIA, USA. I gave Susie a little pat up on the beetle, and she turned around and said, walk this way.
I was born in a plane. Mama said that every word was know my name. I'm the best you've ever had. If you think I'm burning out, I never am. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire. I'm on fire.
Fireball. fireball. I'm a
दिल का दरिया बह ही गया राहों में यूं जो तू मिल गया मुश्किल से मैं संभला था टूट गया हूँ फिर एक दफा बात बिगड़ी है इस कदर दिल है टूटा टूटे हैं हम तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम तुझे कितना चाहे और हम तेरे बिन अब न लेंगे एक भी दम तुझे कितना चाहे और हम तेरे साथ हो जाएंगे खत्म तुझे कितना चाहे और हम